Today we are holding a First Green event. It's part of an initiative from the Golf Course Superintendents Association of America. We are trying to get the youth, get them out here, show them what we're doing out on the course, and show them our tools, everything that we use, the sciences, kind of a STEM class.
We have around 40 students from the First Tee of Monterey County, and they are here for a First Green field trip. And it's a super special field trip because we have women from all over the country who are leading the First Green stations. So these are women superintendents, assistant superintendents, equipment managers. So it's a girl power day.
We have 3 different stations. We have a soils lab where the kids will learn how to, the different soil makeup of the golf course. We have an irrigation, which will teach them how golf course superintendents are mindful with the water resources that we have and just how sprinklers work. They can pull apart some sprinklers, and they're doing a demonstration on how water comes out. And lastly, we have a cool tools section, which is behind me. We will demonstrate a mower, a soil profiler, and a stimp meter.
We're just really excited to bring out some Toro equipment. We had one of the ladies who's an equipment manager talking about the reels and all of the different parts of the mower we have over here. And then they also talked to them about the Walking Greens mower. So they talked about how they cut the greens for the tournament this morning, and told the kids a little bit about how they load it up on the trailer, take it out in the morning, and are cutting all the greens for the tournament this week. So it was really cool to watch the little girls get excited about the Toro mowers.
Where we're bringing youngsters to the golf course, many of whom have never been on the golf course before. And we're giving them a fun field trip where they get to learn about science, about math in a unique way.